Alright, hi! This is like the 5th time I've tried to do this video and I keep messing it up, so hopefully this time will work. I'm not here with you today because I am at my own class all day long trying to get smarter for you guys. So I thought I would make a video to explain today's assignment. So this is today's agenda. When you see it, there will be a link to this very video right here, and if you're watching it, you already found that, so that's unimportant. Instead, go to item number 2. This is the skills builder. This is what you're going to do and hopefully turn in by the end of the hour. You notice it's going to focus on the drawing conclusion, main idea, and context clues skills. These are the skills that you will be assessed on next week. So you click on that guy, then you click on this guy, and then of course you're going to file, make a copy of this. So this assignment actually is designed to be done when I'm gone. So it spells things out pretty clearly, but I'll take you through it just to make sure. So obviously you read the passage. We've already read the whole story, so it'll sound familiar because it is. And then it tells you to do a Google image search of Ship Trap Island. Please actually do that. View some of the maps there. That'll help you understand that, like, when he goes to jump, I want you to try to figure out how that all worked. So it tells you to zero in on details. It tells you to explain what his idea must have been when he jumped out in the sea, like what was he actually thinking. And then now that you finished the story, explore the significance of this moment. Why did his plan work? So we know eventually he ends up in Zarof's bedroom. What happened in that moment that he jumped far out into the sea? Like, what was his plan? How did it all go down? Okay. Then, coming on down, you've got another little passage to read. And this deals with Zarof's response to Rainsford jumping into the sea. So I give you step 1. Then you're going to read about Madame Butterfly, because there's this part where, like, he hums. And anytime you see, like, an allusion in a story like that, you should poke at it. You should be like, why would he hum that? First of all, why would he hum? But secondly, why is it that song? So you're going to click the link, and it's going to take you to Wikipedia. Don't tell anybody. And you're just going to quickly read about Madame Butterfly. And so you're going to jot down here some things you find out about that opera. And then you're going to try to come up with a theory. Why did the author choose to use that allusion to that opera in that instance? So this is a tough one. We're going to see what you can figure out. I'm very excited to see your answers to it. Scrolling on down, you've got another passage from the end of the story. You're going to show me that you can figure out main idea. In fact, I'm going to real quick live change this to highlight details within the passage. That way you don't have to copy them down there. You can just go up and use the highlighter and highlight them. And then step 4, we didn't practice too much together, but you had it on the worksheet yesterday, so do the best you can with step 4. Don't leave it blank. Give me something, but I won't be too critical of what you put there. Okay, and then scrolling on down, you've got the very ending. It says, underline the line which explains how Rainsford got to the general's house. I mean, he flat out tells you how he did it. And then you've got this line, underline the line which indicates which of the men has won. Pretty easy. Then you're going to solve for I am still a beast at bay. And then this is the big question, and this is going to lead us to some good discussion next week. Why do you think Rainsford slept in Zarof's bed after killing him and feeding him to the hounds? Please don't put, 'cause he was tired. There's more to it than that, and I want to see what you can come up with. So come up with a theory. Why does he sleep there? Okay, if this doesn't happen to take you all of the time of this hour, then fabulous. Submit it when you're done, and then I know you've probably got 400 tests from all your other teachers, so study, use your time in some way that's going to benefit you, make you smarter. Maybe give yourself a little genius time. Research something of interest to you, or play Fortnite, whatever. But be respectful. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. And I will see you on Monday.